Okay, so the guy is here to make the opening between the two shops. I removed everything for him, and the door is going to be right here. And now inside the shop, I can't move. I can barely do work here, and Big Boss is gonna have to do work in this tight spot until we get this door opened and we can start moving stuff over there. The door should start from right here. So we may have 2 blocks on the floor, and then the door starts 36 inches, and then I'm gonna have a sliding door here to go in and out between the shops. As you can see, I already removed the carpet. There's paint on the floor, so I got the paint thinner to remove this. First, I did not know if this was easy to remove or not, but I scratched it with a razor blade, and I can tell it's paint. So we're gonna have to remove this paint, but the tile looks very good. Tile looks very good. After the door is done, we'll take care of this. Basically, he's gonna have to cut those 2 blocks here, and electricity is gonna have to go up from the top. I think that's what he has in mind. We'll see. I mean, I do not have time to waste, but at the same time, I cannot work while this is going on. The store is very tight, a lot of noise is being made, and I was recording a video fixing this spec. So you're gonna take this piece out and put it here?
Yeah.
Inside here?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're gonna frame it after everything is done.
After this, I just put a thin wood on top here, and then put a little molding around, so it looks pretty.
What about this, the wires here?
Everything is coming out.
Go on top?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Okay.
I might have to add wire to it.
So when we remove this wood piece on the bottom,
Yeah.
what's gonna happen? Is there tile under this?
No, it doesn't look like it.
Place of the door is very good because we have about 3 blocks left down here. Very good. He's assembling the MacBook Air that I worked on yesterday, and this is the computer for the guy working on opening the wall. We are upgrading to SSD, and Big Boss has to put a new motherboard on this one. Customer brought us a new motherboard to put in. Then we have a couple of laptops that came in. That's Big Boss's job to take care of them. And we also have a couple of them here. This one is already apart, it's not done yet, and this one is a mail-in. As soon as the noise is down, I want to finish working on the Spectre X360. So we'll see. Starting to look like a door.
That's it. Finished.
That's
I'm
it?
going home. You
No.
told me you want it happening, right?
Yeah, that's it.
I'll put you little shelves.
Maybe we can store money up here.
Not enough room.
The cables were routed from down here onto the sides. This is code to drill a hole and put them inside. The job is done. Guy did a beautiful job. Very nice job. Attention to details. All we have to do is clean. We have a lot of cleaning to do. And we have to start getting things inside here. Walls are very nice. The moldings. And this is done also. There was a big block of wood here to make the floor even with this. So we removed it for easy cleaning. We're gonna have a lot of shelves on top here. And this will be the bench for shipping. And I'm just happy about the progress. A lot of work, a lot of things to do. I bought a couple of those shelves in the middle with the casters on the bottom so we can easily move them around. We're gonna get the benches and put them on left and right side of the shop. And the benches will be used to work on, and they will be used for training as well. Right now, this is filled with customers' devices. You have 7 shelves of mail-ins, more customer stuff here, more customer stuff here, more on the bench here, more on the bench here, and here. This space is jam-packed. There's no way you can move inside the space. So what I'm thinking is, my bench here will no longer be my bench. I'm gonna take everything out, and I'm gonna put 3 of those on the wall there that will carry all those boxes and customers' devices. And by doing so, we will free a lot of space in the middle here. So Big Boss has enough room to work with. And my bench will be in the second store here. We're gonna have enough benches to seat 8 people. So we're gonna have benches on the wall here with all the tools, microscope, hot air station, soldering iron, and whatever is needed for the training. And we're gonna have benches on the side of the wall. So one of those benches will be mine, my permanent bench. Instead of using the bench inside and keeping those benches empty when we do not have training, no, why don't I use one of those benches, the training benches, I make it mine, it's a permanent bench for me. And inside there, we'll just put those shelving unit here, 3 of them. We're also going to have a desk here, and whoever is going to work with us will be handling customers, walk-ins, mail-ins, follow-ups, our online shop, and everything that deals with customers. And that's the plan for now. We are getting closer to having this place ready. So we've only had the second shop for a week. We got hold of it on May 1st. We did not get any free time because we already have a shop here. But what we did get is no security deposit. Landlord is generous and did not charge us for security deposit. And he's not gonna charge us for water and garbage like we are paying for the other shop. So that's very good. And you cannot get everything. You cannot negotiate getting free time and no security deposit and no paying water and no paying garbage. You can't do that. You have to be flexible. I like the landlord. He's a very nice guy. And you always have to be fair. That's it. I will follow up on the progress of the other shop in a future video, and I'll see you again in the next video.